Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher for today. Today's date is 14th of August 2024. The Morse code for today is tasks TASKS. So the first thing you do is to click on daily cipher here. When you click on daily cipher, the interface will change to this color. Then to get the first letter, which is T, you do just one dash. To get the A, you do one dot and one dash. To get the S, you do three dots. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll have to start again. For the T, it's just one dash. For the A, is one dot and one dash. Then for the S, you do three dots. 1, 2, 3. For the K, you do one dash, one dot, and another dash. And for the last letter, which is S, you do another three dots. 1, 2, 3. Then you click on take the price here. That's it for today's daily cipher, guys. Please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get more updates. Thanks for watching.